The Samsung A13 is a phone that aims to make quality and performance accessible to everyone. With its sleek design, it feels great in your hand, and that vibrant display? Absolutely stunning. The 6.6-inch screen makes videos and games pop with color, providing an immersive experience for users who appreciate a good visual treat. Now, let's talk about performance. The A13 packs a robust octa-core processor and comes with multiple storage options. Whether you're multitasking between apps or enjoying your favorite mobile games, it handles everything with relative ease. Plus, with up to 6 gigabytes of RAM, you won't feel the lag in your daily browsing or media consumption. One of the standout features is definitely the camera setup. The A13 boasts a 50-megapixel main camera, which is impressive for a budget phone. On top of that, there are 3 additional lenses for depth, macro, and ultra-wide shots. This versatility ensures you can capture stunning photos in a variety of settings. Day or night battery life is another highlight, with a 5,000 mAh capacity that keeps you powered throughout the day. Streaming, gaming, or browsing the web won't drain your battery too quickly, giving you peace of mind as you go about your day. Overall, the Samsung A13 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for performance, style, and functionality without breaking the bank. It's a solid option that proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a reliable smartphone.